Why Gen Z is ditching screen for real life? We thought the future would be fully digital, virtual concerts, online communities, everything happening on screen. But something unexpected is happening. Gen Z is Gen Z is going back offline. At the Youth Talks, we explored a powerful question that why is the most digital generation driving the rival of real world experience? And the answer reveals a massive cultural shift in how Gen Z think about connection, identity, and life itself. Let's start with the core hypothesis that digital saturation is driving a craving for real experience. Gen Z grew up on social media, streaming platforms, and virtual communities. But during the pandemic, something changed. They experienced a world where everything was online and they realized something important. Screens can connect you but can never replace presence. Over 70% of Gen Z prefer spending on experience over possession. Think about that. They would rather attend a concert, go to a festival, and be a part of live moment rather than buying something material. Experience are no longer optional, they are identity. There are four big reasons behind this shift. First, experience is equal to identity. For Gen Z, where you go matters than what you own. Festivals like Sunburn Festival or global events like Coachella are not just events. They are platforms for self-expression, fashion, personality, and value. Second, authenticity over simulation. Gen Z don't want curated perfect experience. They want raw, real and participatory. Events like Tomorrowland works because they feel immersive and emotional. You are not just watching, you're a part of it. Third, community in a digital world. Ironically, being aware online has made Gen Z crave real connection. Whether it's concert, college fest, or even sports event like the Indian Premier League. These are the moments of collective energy, something no live stream can replicate. Fourth, the phygital reality. For Gen Z, it's not online versus offline, it's both. They attend the event, record it, post it instantly. Every experience becomes content plus memory plus identity. This shift is changing how brands think. Today, events are no longer just gathering, they are immersive experience. Brands are now focusing on multi-sensory environments, integrated installation, gamified experience, and real-time personalization. Even companies like New Niche Integrated Solution Private Limited are seeing this shift firsthand. Success is no longer measured by footfall, it's measured by engagement, emotions, and recall. But here's the catch Gen Z is highly aware. But here's the real catch Gen Z is highly aware, extremely critical, and digitally fluent. They can instantly tell if something feels fake. So, experience must be authentic, meaningful, and emotionally engaging because surface level Instagrammable is no longer enough. So, what's happening here? Gen Z is not rejecting the digital world, they are evolving beyond it. They are reminding us of something simple. The most powerful experience are not the one you watch. They are the one you feel, the one you live, and the one you remember long after the screen turns off.